Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings. One unboxing per day for 31 days. If you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next videos. I just ate a big burger and I have my stomach and all my energy trying, to make the food process. And yeah, note to myself, do never film straight after eating French fries, burger and the Coca-Cola. And because it's really hard, to talk afterwards. So I'm sorry if my energy is a little bit low. I will be a little bit excited on this video, but it doesn't mean I don't like the bag I'm going to show you. So guys, today we have another bag from Dior, the no, it's not Christian Dior anymore, so the Dior fashion house. Yeah, let me show you the bag because I'm sure you saw it on the thumbnail, and maybe that's why you clicked on this video, and then we can have a little chit chat around it. So today we will have, let me just grab it, it's sitting on the floor, a new Dior bag, as you can see in here. No big suspense. We have a Lady Dior, another Lady Dior. As you can see, let me just zoom in. This is a suede Lady Dior. I don't know why, but with the light here, it looks a little bit more clear. But you know that suede always look like, look how crazy. It depends of the light, how you touch it. So I love suede, but it drives me crazy. So here it is, this beautiful Lady Dior. I think this is a large Lady Dior. I know for day 2 I unboxed it. I will link the video here. XXL Lady Dior, that it's sitting on the floor just next to me. So if you missed the video about this one, I'm gonna link it just here so you can go check it out. And let me just look at this. This one is like massive. The beige is massive. The beige is really huge. And so this one is 32 centimeters wide and 24. The height is 24 centimeter. Let me open it. So here it's all leather, it's not suede, which is a good thing. And inside, I forgot that I put bag insert, but I'm gonna show you why I did this. Because if there is no bag insert, this is how it looks. And this is not really good because the bag doesn't have, like a nice shape. So let me just show you inside the bag and then I will put the insert again. So inside we have this beautiful red with the Canage Dior prints. And sorry, but we have to do this, otherwise it's gonna be awful. She's looking better like this. This is, let's be honest, I bought this bag because of the suede material. If you follow me and you've been following me and watching my videos since day 1, I think this is this, oh yeah, not really, the second or third suede bag, that suede or suede, I don't know how to pronounce. I should learn because it's one of my favorite materials when it comes to bags. But yeah, and will this be the last street bag? Maybe, maybe not, because I know there is at least one more. So yeah, so I bought this Lady Dior just because it was in street, and I really love the material, but I love the bag. It's a beautiful bag. I don't know if you guys like it. I don't know if you guys love Lady Dior. Some people do, some people hate. I have a few Lady Diors and I don't wear them. I should do something about that, because I cannot keep buying bags and not wearing them. This is not possible. And yeah, that's why I think I just love it. Like, I love to touch, I love how it looks. It's really luxurious. I know it's not a bag I will see on social media or even in real life, because it's vintage, and I don't think Dior if Dior is making street bags at the moment. And yeah, I just think this is a beautiful bag. I have another one in red. I will try to find a picture and put it here. It's been like maybe 8 years I didn't wear my red one, because I wore this bag so much, and maybe that's a reason why I don't wear my red bags in general, because I remember it was one of my first designer handbags, and I wore it so much that I think I just got sick of red and sick of the Lady Dior, and voila, I hope I will not get sick of this one this fast. And I want to wear it. I want to wear it with a big, cozy, oversized coat and a big scarf. But at the same time, I'm thinking I will have a little nice blue dress this week to go to work. So maybe I should wear this, because blue and like dark blue and black, I think it goes quite well together. And voila, guys, let me know what you think about this bag. If it was, oh, I forgot to mention, I got this one on eBay. It came from Germany, and I paid around $500, which is a steal for a Lady Dior bag. And yeah, I think that's why I bought it. The street, the price, the bag, the size, which is quite good. I wonder if a MacBook 13 would fit. I don't know. I really want to do like at least with my Lady Dior's, because I have the mini, the medium, and the XXL, and I have another size that it's more like a tote. Okay, I completely forgot I had this bag. I do have a serious problem. But I really want to do a comparison video so we can go more in deep and see like which size is the best. Guys, let me know what you think about this one, if it was a good decision to buy it, if not. And if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Je vous fais des gros bisous. Big kisses to you. And I see you tomorrow for another unboxing and another reveal. Je vous embrasse. Bisous, bisous. Ciao.